everyone, it's Jess from Sallie Tomato. Today is December 22nd and we're nearing the end of unboxing our Advent box. So find the envelope labeled day 22, December 2022, and the envelope says, stitch these exclusive goodies to your projects, your friends at Sallie Tomato. So I had a lot of fun designing these and I hope that you enjoy them. So let's see what's inside. So here we have some embroidered patches. So we have one that has a flower, keep smiling, it says, super fun to add to your bags and handmade projects. And here's another one a little bit more neutral. So I hope you like these. Each box contains some different patches, so there's a variety between all the boxes, so you might not get these exact ones. So I hope you enjoy these and I can't wait to see them stitched to your projects. Have a great day.